If you're watching this video, you're probably a small business owner or entrepreneur and are thinking about creating your own video content for your business to publish on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, online. I'm making this video to give you an idea of the tools that you need to make videos, what content you can shoot yourself, and how to distribute that content online. But most importantly, I'm making this video to let you know that you can leverage the technology that you have right now and start making great videos that impress your potential clients. I'm not saying to never hire a professional, but probably if you're watching this video, you may not be ready to invest in that type of service like many of my prospects. So I want to help you as a fellow business owner to make your own videos and to help you use them to market yourself effectively. So first things first, video is essential to businesses today. Studies show that potential clients who watch a video will recall your business by 95%. And you may know about the low success rate for businesses. 50% make it past 5 years, only 33% make it after 10 years, and that's partly due to lack of marketing. The first thing my clients tell me before they shoot a video is that they don't do well in front of the camera, or they can't express themselves well in front of the camera. And the first thing I reply is that the only reason they think that is because they haven't prepared correctly. Everyone can get in front of the camera and express themselves effectively and educate their audience. They just need the right tools and the right guidance. You may not need to be in front of the camera all the time and talk like this. You could also develop a different style, different creative style where you record time lapses or do voiceovers or record your own handwriting. Creating videos is about creativity. But being creative is not all. There's a marketing aspect to making videos. And you can make a very creative and amazing video, but if you only make one, that won't help you grow your business. You need to constantly make videos of different topics and allow your audience and potential clients to see you frequently. This frequency will help people get used to you and start trusting you. So prepare for making many videos and not just one. One of the most popular excuses for not making videos is not having the right equipment. I don't have the right camera, I don't have the right lens, I don't have the right software. You know, we're extremely privileged to be able to own amazing cameras which fit in our pocket and can shoot 4K. Most people don't take advantage of this camera. And by the way, that little camera you have in your pocket is more than enough equipment, camera, lens, and software to start making great videos. If you have a professional camera, great. If not, then you're perfectly well off with your smartphone, assuming that you can record in at least HD or 1080p. Here are a few smartphone models that can do that. Also, for talking head videos like I'm doing right now, there are a few inexpensive pieces of equipment that you can acquire which will make your video stand out. You would need a phone stand, a light, and a microphone. Just those three, okay? The stand is essential because you can use it as a selfie stick or an extension pole to capture interesting video angles, get down low or up high. You already have the mindset and the equipment. You're halfway there. Now you actually need to create your content. Press record. How do I do that? Number one, you need to start recording everything. This doesn't mean that you will share everything you record, but it will get you in the habit of filming. And you will be able to use a lot of that footage for your own social media posts, for example. How do you record everything? Always bring your phone stand with you, okay? And be ready to record yourself working, typing on the computer, taking phone calls, whatever you do, driving, meeting someone, or capture content at work. A dentist might record a time lapse of routine cleaning. A lawyer might come up with an interesting story to share and record it right away. Or a remodeling company might record the work site and the workers before, during, and after the remodel. Here's part of a video I made with a handwriting, for example. Maybe you can use something like that. Just put the phone on the stand, over the desk, angle it down, and start writing. Later on, you can speed up or slow down that video. The point is that you're capturing behind the scenes content of yourself and your work. This allows your current clients and potential clients to start developing a sense of familiarity with you and your brand. Before I talk about distribution, I just want to mention talking head content like I'm doing now. If you're comfortable improvising, then just press record and get started. Some people are much better improvising than others. However, if you're like me, you will need to plan it out, write it, and read it. You want to brainstorm, plan what you want to say, and write it all down exactly as you're going to say it, every word. Here's a huge tip, okay? Download a teleprompter app for your phone. This app will allow you to read your script while you record the video, so you don't have to improvise. Here's a few options I found for iPhone and Android. And by the way, if you plan to use your video on Instagram or TikTok, remember to record vertically. And if you want to publish it to YouTube, then you want to record horizontally. After you have recorded your footage, you may find that you want to edit it or add something to it like text or your logo at the end. If you want to do that, you will need an editing software. Now, this doesn't have to be difficult, but you will need to spend some time exploring and using that software or app. And you can do it right from your phone. This would be the easiest, since you don't have to, record on your phone, then transfer to your computer, edit them there, and then transfer them back to your phone to post on social media, for example. Just record on your phone, edit on your phone, and publish on your phone. That would be the fastest. Personally, I use InShot. You can do everything in that app, from cutting your clips to adding overlays and speeding up your footage. It's a no-brainer. You can download it for free or get all the features for $35, I think. I always tell my clients that you can make an amazing video with extraordinary content, but if you don't share that video, nobody's gonna see it, nobody will benefit from it. Content is extremely important, but distribution is equally important. After you have recorded and edited your videos, you will want to share them with the world, with everyone, everywhere, on your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, WhatsApp groups, but share it with people who would care, okay? Or maybe in groups you belong to. For example, I participate in a few networking meetings in town where I live. When I make a video that's relevant to them, I share it with them. So keep that in mind, keep it relevant. I hope this video helped you understand how you can create your own content and leverage the tools you already have to grow your business to the next level with videos. If it did, please like this video. It would help me reach more business owners. I will be making many more in-depth videos about this subject, so please hit subscribe and see you next time. Thank you for watching.